Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Currently, the only coastal villa in Treasure Beach. This 3,600 square feet, fully furnished home rests on 3/4 of an acre and was completed in 2007. A steady short-term holiday rental income can be handed over to you along with the existing rental websites. An escape from the ordinary with private access to the beach cove, sharing access with only 6 neighboring properties. Impeccably designed with custom built cedar windows and doors. This 4 bedroom, 4.5 bathroom with a self contained staff cottage is strategically positioned on an elevated brow of land so as to capture the view of the ocean. 2 king bedrooms on either side of the living room, open to the covered veranda facing the ocean. Each of the 4 bedrooms offer ensuite bathrooms, 2 of which features outdoor garden showers. Some other features include 27,000-gallon rainwater tank with automated pump, solar water heater, commercial generator with automated switch, 2022 upgrades, resurfaced pool, new AC unit, painted, etc. Guys, let's take a look at this home and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this home is US $1,475,000 or Jamaican $227 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.